Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Olushla David, and let me quickly use this opportunity to show you how I've been able to generate over 1.8 million naira online selling informational products as an extra source of income. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm equally going to show you the same exact strategy I've been using and how you yourself can use it and start making money for yourself. But before we get started, let me show you my proof of income so you can know that this is working and this is what you can totally pull off yourself. So using Paystack as my payment gateway, I've been able to generate around 1.8 million naira online, and that is just for Paystack. And for customers that do mobile transfer, this is to show you that I equally receive alerts. I equally receive payment via mobile transfer. So this is the alert notification for mobile transfer. So this is just to show you that this is working and this is what you yourself can pull off. Alright, so that being said, what is information marketing business and how can you key into this business? Information marketing business is a business model that lets you sell information to people that are in dire need of it. Think about it, we all need information to survive in this world, and the more of this information you have, the more opportunity you have to sell this information online and make money from it. Alright, so my strategy, the strategy that I use that has been working for me and that you yourself can use, is what I call the research, create and publish. Alright, so before you start selling any information, you have to do your market research. You have to be sure that people are willing to pay for this information, and once you know that they are willing to pay for the information, you can then introduce an informational product. Okay, you can then introduce an ebook or video course depending on how you want them to receive the information, then sell to them, then make money from it. Alright, so that being said, if you want to go about it that way, you can either create a website, okay, create your ebook, then market it yourself, or you leverage on a done for you system. Okay, what I mean by done for you system is that you can leverage on publishing a website that lets you create the ebook, publish the ebook on the website, publish the ebook on their website, and they do the marketing for you. Alright, so as an example, popular among this website is Amazon Kindle, and I'm sure most of us must have heard about Amazon Kindle. Now, Amazon Kindle lets you create an account with them, write your ebook, upload it, then publish it on the website, and they do the marketing for you. All you have to do is just upload, publish, and they do the marketing for you, and everything is free. You don't have to pay to register on the platform. All you have to do is just make sure you do your research on what you want to sell on the platform. So let's say, for example, you want to write an ebook on weight loss. Alright, so this is just to show you the potential of money you could be making on this platform. Alright, so let me grab the seller's code, then you see how much the owner of this ebook is selling in a day, and this can be you. Alright, so let me copy that, paste here. Alright, as you can see, the owner of that ebook is making 103 sales in a day on that ebook. And let's check for the price. Let's check the price of the product. The price of the product is $10. Alright, so multiply $10 times 103, so I think that is around $1,000 in a day. Alright, so multiply that in 30 days to have an idea of how much they are making in a month, and this is just for one ebook. So let's imagine you have up to 50 ebook and you are making at least 10 to 20 sales in a day. Trust me, you're already in millions. So let's try another keyword. Alright, so let's go for parenting. Let's say you are a stay-at-home mom and you know one or two things about parenting and you want to write ebook around it. Okay, so this is the first one we'll see. So let's check how much this person is selling in a day. Alright, as you can see, the owner of that ebook is making 49 sales in a day on that ebook, and the price of the ebook is $12. So multiply $12 times 49. This is to show you how much they are making on that single ebook in a day. So this can be you too. All you have to do is just create an account, do your research, write the ebook, then upload it and publish it on the website, and they do the marketing for you. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay to register. You don't have to do anything. So this is basically how it works. It's something that anybody can pull off. Alright, the hard part is to create the ebook, and even if you don't know how to create the ebook, there are ways at which they can create the ebook for you. Alright, so if this happens to interest you and you want to get started with this business, I have an online blueprint, okay, that is going to walk you through. I'm going to hold you by hands and show you how to get started doing this business. All right, so even if you want to create your ebook yourself and you want to do the marketing yourself, I'm also going to walk you through. For example, recently I was able to do a marketing for a friend. Okay, he's a travel agent, so he created an ebook on how to relocate to Canada. All right, so I created this simple sales page for the ebook and we use it to sell the ebook. All right, so as you can see, the price of the ebook is 9,500. So this is just to show you that you could write ebook about anything. So far people are looking for the information. So once you know that people are looking for the information, write the ebook, then introduce it to them. So it's more like you doing them a favor. All right, they will jump into it because this is what they want. So this is basically everything we're going to be learning. All right, I'll teach you how to set everything up and how to market your ebook and how to create your account on Amazon Kindle and other publishing websites like Amazon Kindle, and how to receive your payment. All right, so if you are interested, just look for the link below this video or check around the video. You're going to see the link to the platform. Okay, so come join us and we're going to be dissecting everything together. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the course.